Welcome back to the Autoland. If you're a fan of unique vehicles that blend classic charm with modern utility, then today's video is for you. We're diving deep into one of the most exciting and unexpected releases of 2025, the Volkswagen Beetle Pickup. That's right, the beloved Beetle, an icon of automotive history, has been reimagined as a compact yet capable pickup truck. Volkswagen has pulled off something truly remarkable, merging nostalgia with practicality. So, buckle up as we explore everything about this fascinating new model, from its design and performance to its features and price. The Volkswagen Beetle is one of the most recognizable cars in the world. Its curvy shape, friendly demeanor, and history spanning nearly a century have made it a symbol of freedom, fun, and affordability. While production of the traditional Beetle ended a few years ago, Volkswagen has found new ways to keep the spirit of the Beetle alive. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle Pickup is a bold new step in that direction, taking the essence of the classic Beetle and transforming it into something entirely new, yet unmistakably Beetle. One of the most exciting aspects of the Beetle Pickup is its design. Volkswagen has managed to maintain the car's signature round shape while adapting it into a pickup form. The front end still features the iconic rounded headlights and smooth curves, giving it that familiar look. However, as you move toward the rear, you'll notice a well-integrated truck bed that makes this vehicle stand out from any previous Beetle. The bed is compact but practical, designed for urban adventurers, light-duty hauling, and lifestyle enthusiasts who need both style and functionality. Volkswagen offers the Beetle Pickup in both a single cab and an extended cab configuration. The single cab is perfect for those who want a compact and sporty pickup, while the extended cab adds extra space for passengers, making it a more versatile choice. The bed is lined with durable materials and comes with tie-down hooks, making it perfect for carrying bikes, camping gear, or even small work tools. Under the hood, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle Pickup is anything but old-fashioned. It comes with two engine options: a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 220 horsepower and an all-electric variant with a range of around 250 miles per charge. The turbocharged engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for driving purists or an 8-speed automatic for those who prefer convenience. The electric version, on the other hand, features Volkswagen's latest EV technology, offering fast charging capabilities and impressive torque. In terms of performance, the Beetle Pickup is designed to be agile and fun to drive. It's not built for heavy-duty hauling like a traditional truck, but it excels in urban and suburban environments. The suspension is tuned for comfort while still providing good handling, and the compact size makes parking and maneuvering a breeze. Whether you're commuting to work, heading out for a weekend adventure, or just cruising around town, the Beetle Pickup delivers a unique and enjoyable driving experience. Let's talk interior. Inside, Volkswagen has given the Beetle Pickup a modern yet nostalgic cabin. The dashboard features a blend of retro-inspired circular gauges and a high-tech digital display. The infotainment system includes a large touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a premium audio system. The seats are designed for comfort, and the use of high-quality materials ensures a premium feel. There are even some playful design touches, like beetle-shaped air vents and classic chrome accents, to remind you of the car's heritage. One of the standout features of the Beetle Pickup is its smart storage solutions. Since it's a compact pickup, Volkswagen has made use of every inch of space efficiently. There's a small front trunk, or frunk, in the electric version, additional storage compartments inside the cabin, and even under-seat storage options. This makes it a great choice for those who need a practical vehicle without sacrificing style. Safety is another strong point for the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle Pickup. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The structure of the vehicle has been reinforced to meet modern safety standards, ensuring that it's not just a fun ride but a safe one too. Now, let's talk about who this pickup is for. The Beetle Pickup isn't trying to compete with full-size trucks like the Ford F-150 or Chevrolet Silverado. Instead, It's aimed at a niche market of people who want a vehicle with personality, efficiency, and practicality without the bulk of a traditional pickup. It's perfect for city dwellers, young professionals, small business owners, and adventure seekers who need a vehicle that can handle everyday tasks while standing out from the crowd. In terms of pricing, Volkswagen has positioned the Beetle pickup competitively. The base model with the turbocharged engine starts at around $28,000, while the extended cab version with additional features can go up to $35,000. The all-electric variant, with its advanced technology and eco-friendly appeal, is expected to start at around $40,000. Given its unique design and the technology packed into it, these prices make it an attractive option for those looking for something different in the pickup market. Volkswagen has always been known for producing cars with character, and the 2025 Beetle pickup is no exception. It brings together classic Beetle charm, modern performance, and practical versatility in a way that no other vehicle does. It's a pickup for people who don't want a traditional pickup, a vehicle that stands out, turns heads, and delivers a driving experience that's as fun as it is functional. So, what do you think about the Volkswagen Beetle Pickup 2025? Would you consider buying one? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest vehicles hitting the market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.